Shalom, it's Reuben Abramov, the Haftorahman, and to my congregational family at the Hamptons synagogue, especially Rabbi Schneier, Rabbi Bronstein, Cantor Herstig, Maestro Chaimov, and President Carol Levin, to all of you, my dear friends, I wish you a Chag Sameach. Continuing in our weekly tradition at the Hampton Synagogue, I would like to present a 3-minute synopsis of this holiday's Haftorot, the supplemental reading to the Torah reading on the final days of Passover. So the first of the two Haftorot is read on the 7th day, and this is something special. Why? Because this Haftarah is King David's song in praise of Hashem. There is no greater spiritual role model than David HaMelech. If you read Tehillim, and we all do, if you read the book of Psalms, you will see exemplary faith and emunah and connectivity to God. His mind, his heart, his soul grooms us on how we can behave comfortably with God, acknowledging all our blessings, making requests for improvements on certain circumstances, and also always King David had this vote of confidence that God will come through for him no matter what. For example, David was the king of Israel, and his father-in-law, the former king of Israel, was trying to kill him. And King David, he was on the run quite a bit of the time, but he always paused and he goes, God, you have always been there for me, and I know you will continue to be there for me, and you gotta come through for me this time. I got to get through these tough times. And that's just the message that I would say that we have from the Haftarah from the 7th day of Passover. Now, outside of the land of Israel, we have an 8th day, and the special Haftorah, the supplemental reading that we read on the 8th day of Passover, comes from Yeshayahu, Isaiah, the most popular, as far as frequency goes, of Haftorahs. And this Haftarah is discussing events that took place and will take place. So in other words, it explains our history and reveals our destiny. The history is that over the centuries, Israel had many enemies. In this Haftarah, in the time of Isaiah, the enemy was Sancherib, the head of the nation of Assyria. And there was total faith and confidence that God will dispel these people and that they will be rid from us and no longer give us any sorrows, troubles. Then Isaiah says, I also know that the better days are coming, and you will send somebody, and that person will be sent by you, and that you will have this person protecting us, leading us, judging us intelligently, wisely, somebody that will make sure that we get through the future into the permanent and eternal messianic better days. I wish you all Chag Sameach. Thank you. See you again soon.